During the gearbox oil change, a wind turbine does not operate and gives up no energy to the grid. The downtime duration is determined by the timeliness and propriety of maintenance, as well as the qualifications and technical fit-out of a service team. There is plenty of oil in the main gearbox, and if you change it manually, even with 3 to 4 persons involved, maintaining the gearbox takes at least 1 work shift, which increases the losses of electrical power companies. Doing everything faster, more reliably, and with minimum manual labor input requires using special equipment. Today, I will tell you about the new GlobeCore Premium Class Unit, CMM-G. All the process operation associated with changing the oil in wind turbine gearboxes are performed using CMM-G unit. This includes draining the waste oil with the capacity of 0.25 cubic meters per hour, flushing the gearbox with flushing oil, and pumping clean oil with the capacity of 2.2 cubic meters per hour. For this purpose, the unit is equipped with 2 tanks. The volume of each is 950 liters. One tank is designed to transport clean oil and the other to collect dirty oil. Separate hoses with a length of 160 meters are used to drain and pump the oil. Depending on the height of the wind turbines to be maintained, the length thereof may be reduced to 40 meters or increased to 230 meters. Another distinctive feature of the unit is mobility. The unit is mounted on a 2-axle trailer and can be easily delivered to a wind farm by service team vehicle. Near the wind turbine, the trailer is secured with adjustable supports. The unit length does not exceed 611 centimeters, the width 246 centimeters, and the height 179 centimeters. CMM-G unit is versatile. It handles mineral and synthetic oils as well as gearboxes of any model. The presence of a heater expands the unit's possibilities. Due to preheating the oil up to 65 degrees Celsius before feeding it into the gearbox, CMM-G is successfully used in cold climate regions. Both the unit pumps and the wind turbine gearbox are protected from the destructive effects of solid particles that may be contained in fresh oil. Before entering the pumps, the oil passes through a filter with the filtration fineness of 500 microns, and before pumping into the gearbox, through 2 filters with the filtration fineness of 25 and 3 microns. Another advantage is the possibility of self-contained operation, for which a gasoline generator is provided in the unit. If the unit cannot be connected to the power mains or the voltage has disappeared during operation for whatever reason, the unit is taken offline and will close the oil change cycle. At the same time, the equipment is easy and convenient to use. The hoses are automatically reeled due to the operation of an electric drive in the drums. The tap valves, which previously had to be turned on and off manually, are now turned on and off automatically due to the operation of a servo drive. A filling nozzle with a meter is installed at the filling hose end, and we always know how much oil has already been fed into the gearbox. Owing to the touchscreen, all the work processes are plainly visible, and the control algorithm is intuitive for an operator. Applying GlobeCore technology allows reducing the gearbox oil change duration 2 to 4 times, thereby decreasing the downtime of wind turbines and the associated loss of money. And in what other fields of human activity can the units of this type be needed? Please leave your opinion in the comments. More information can be found at www.globecore.com.